Hello everyone, welcome to Life Means More. In today's video, we will see what Ayurveda says about eating fruits. Eating fruits brings diversity to the diet. Just like it is said to have vegetables 3 times a day for better health, including fruits in your diet is equally vital. 2 servings of raw fruit can provide your body with nutrients to function well. It even helps to keep you hydrated, prevents unhealthy munching, thereby helping you shed kilos. But to gain these benefits of eating fruits, you need to eat them at the right time and pair correctly. As per Ayurveda, the ancient Indian medical practice, every food should be eaten in a particular way and at a particular time. Pairing food with dairy, vegetables or meat will be harmful to your body in more than one way. Let us see in what way we have to eat fruits. You should not pair fruits with anything else. Fruits break down quickly as compared to any other food. Pairing it with any other foods can lead to the formation of toxins in the body, known as AMA. It is because the pairing of foods may decrease the digestion process. Fruits have to stay in the stomach for as long as the heaviest food takes to digest, making it difficult for the body to absorb nutrients. Digestive juices begin to ferment it, which is generally toxic and may increase the risk of illness and other health-related conditions. Moreover, having fruit with dairy items like milk and yogurt can lead to skin conditions like acne, psoriasis, and eczema. You should never cook fruits. Fruits are generally bright in colors. The bright color of the fruit represents fire-related energy. When eaten raw, fruits help to stimulate the digestive fire, increasing your digestive health and making the stomach stronger. Cooking leads to the loss of digestive fire and healthy nutrients. So, there would be no benefits of eating cooked fruits. Now let us focus on at what time we have to eat fruits. When you have your bowl of fruit is as vital as how you have it. As per Ayurveda, the right time to have fruit is in the morning on an empty stomach. That is the time when your stomach can absorb maximum nutrients from fruits. Also, simple carbs are best to consume in the morning and pre and post workout. Fat, protein and low complex carbs are best to be consumed post sunset. You can also have fruits as a snack in between your meal to curb your hunger. Having fruits between meal can provide you with essential vitamins and minerals and also prevent you from unhealthy munching. 11 a.m. or 4 p.m. is the best time to have fruits. If you had your breakfast and lunch late, then wait for 30 to 40 minutes to have fruits. Eating fruits in the evening can disturb the sleep schedule and the digestion process. So Ayurveda recommends having fruits before 4 p.m. or before sunset. Fruits are simple carbs, that mean they can be broken down quickly, spike the blood sugar level instantly and provide instant energy. Spike in the blood sugar close to bedtime may disrupt your sleep. Moreover, after sunset our metabolism slows down and the digestive system finds it hard to digest carbs. So, it is better to limit carb intake in the evening. So friends, do like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.